US President Donald Trump has claimed that a breakthrough may be underway in the 5-month-long West Asia conflict, saying he will instruct American forces to pause further strikes on Iran after regional allies reached a broad framework for a ceasefire. In a post on Truth Social on August 1st, Trump said the proposed agreement would include the immediate reopening of the Strait of Hormuz and an end to what he described as Iran's nuclear threat. He also claimed Israel had agreed to support the ceasefire, though there has been no independent confirmation of that statement. Trump said the decision followed discussions with West Asian allies, but did not identify them. Reports, however, suggested that Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman had urged the US against escalating the conflict. The announcement came just a day after Trump had high-level discussions with his cabinet on possible strikes against Iran's energy infrastructure alongside Israel. Iran responded by warning it would target energy facilities across Gulf nations if such attacks went ahead. Tensions had already escalated after Iran targeted key desalination plants in Kuwait, following reported US strikes on similar facilities in Iran's Hormozgan province. At the same time, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi reportedly warned Saudi Arabia that any further military action by the US or Israel would be met with a similar response. Trump also warned that the US was prepared to launch military action not seen since the Second World War if required, while maintaining that Washington now preferred a diplomatic path. According to regional officials, the proposed understanding could see the US and Iran return to negotiations, reopen the Strait of Hormuz, halt attacks across the region, and ease restrictions on Iranian oil exports in exchange for an end to hostilities. However, Iranian state media reported that Tehran had not changed its position on the Strait of Hormuz and still intended to implement a new peace system. Iran's acting defense minister, Brigadier General Sayed Majid Ibn Reza, also cautioned that Tehran would not be misled by Washington's changing statements.